Okay, sorry about that. Somehow I lost you guys. We're gonna go pop into Stephanie's class, see what's going on in there. How's everyone doing? Having fun yet? Getting messy? Ah, we're live. Oh, look at all these colors. Looks like a bunch of little science geeks around here, pouring, measuring. We'll come back and see your creations. Oh, there's a great color combination here. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's head on over. All right. We're heading down. Kim's class. She has a class? Okay. Oh, my goodness. We're going to pop in. Here's Kim's class. I'm coming into. Hi. We're on live.
Hello, Seattle.
That's right. Oh, can we? Oh my goodness, you've done this before.
Not so much.
No?
First time with the swipe.
First time. Look at that. You look like a pro.
I had a good teacher.
That's right. Yay. Oh my God.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Wow. First time or not? You've done this before?
Well,
Not quite like this.
Yeah.
these are all fluid artists, but they've never done this technique before.
Oh, look at that.
First time.
Yeah,
That is beautiful.
and we're still working on this one.
Kim's a great teacher.
Yeah. See, there we go. And Kim will be out in Seattle too.